Hello everyone, it's a quick video, just a really quick video. Have you seen on websites something called cookies? Websites try to not be too dodgy by naming it properly. The proper name for it are trackers. They track your activity on the website. But how would you feel if somebody would say, I'm putting the tracker on you? Yes? So you see, that's why they are called cookies. But for real, they are trackers. They are to not always enhance your experience. That's why it's worth to understand what they want to use them for. We at Inte.Team, we use them only so that we can help you with your visit on the website. On each website, it doesn't matter, is it Right to Repair, or is it the bookrepairline.co.uk, or is it the Inte.Team website? Yes, it doesn't matter. All of our websites have a clear policy. We don't sell information to other businesses, but not everyone is genuine. As you probably might know a few, there is no privacy policies and there are problems with that, yes? So guys, when you see cookies, when you accept them, try not to trust them all the time. Try to know what they want, or just accept that they are just trackers, yes, and they are tracking your activities, because not many people knows what they are. But that's it. I did want to make a short video about it, not a short, but just a short video. So hopefully you've got some value out of it. Learn more about cookies. Don't just take everything for granted that people want good for you. They want good sometimes for you, and it's worth to understand it. Hope you've got some value out of this video. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye bye.